As we age, our bodies succumb to the effects of time, leading to a slower metabolism, memory loss, and muscle and joint pains. This wear and tear can be especially pronounced in athletes or those leading an active lifestyle. While some individuals can power through the pain, others find it debilitating, hindering their daily activities. Resorting to painkillers may provide temporary relief, but can lead to dependency. To avoid a lifetime of reliance on medication, it is crucial to adopt a holistic approach. In addition to exercise, maintaining a healthy diet can significantly contribute to the strength and endurance of your joints and muscles. This video will provide valuable tips on how to enhance the health of your joints and muscles. Number 1. Prioritize hydration to promote synovial fluid synthesis. Staying hydrated is pivotal in preserving joint health. By consuming an adequate amount of water daily, you help the body synthesize synovial fluid, which lubricates and minimizes friction between tissues and cartilage. Water offers numerous additional health benefits as well. As our bodies consist of about 60% water, it is no surprise that water consumption plays a vital role in improved physical performance, increased energy levels, enhanced brain function, and mood regulation. Furthermore, water aids in headache relief, reduces constipation, lowers the risk of kidney stones, and assists in weight loss. Number 2. Boost your vitamin C intake for reduced inflammation. Increasing your consumption of vitamin C can help prevent inflammation in the body. Vitamin C-rich sources like strawberries, broccoli, oranges, and tomatoes contribute to joint, tendon, and ligament health. Moreover, vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and protects cells from harmful free radicals. Studies suggest that higher vitamin C intake can elevate blood antioxidant levels by up to 30%. Additionally, this vitamin aids in lowering blood pressure, fighting heart disease, preventing iron deficiency, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Number 3. Incorporate allium vegetables into your diet. Though we may have detested these vegetables during our childhood, allium vegetables are abundant in sulfur, a fundamental component for collagen formation and other essential nutrients required by our bones, joints, ligaments, and tendons. Research indicates that low sulfur levels in the body can impede the joint repair process. Moreover, allium vegetables possess distinctive properties that protect against cancer and promote heart health. Garlic, onions, chives, scallions, shallots, and leeks are excellent examples of allium vegetables that can be easily added to salads, soups, stews, pasta dishes, and rice dishes. Number 4. Increase protein intake to promote cartilage synthesis. Protein intake plays a crucial role in facilitating the body's production of amino acids necessary for cartilage synthesis and speedy lesion recovery. While meat is a protein-rich source, individuals preferring alternative options that can include fish, nuts, and legumes in their diet. Protein not only aids in building muscles, bones, blood, and skin, but also helps maintain muscle mass during weight loss. By increasing protein intake, you can improve overall body functions, reduce cravings, boost the immune system, and enhance fat burning. Number 5. Embrace bluefish as a dietary addition. To counteract inflammation and protect against oxidative processes that occur during exercise, incorporating bluefish into your diet is highly recommended. Tuna, sardines, and salmon are excellent sources of bluefish that offer substantial benefit. Rich in vitamin D, bluefish promotes good bone health and decreases the risk of developing the flu. Moreover, vitamin D has been associated with cancer prevention, reduced cardiovascular disease risk, and relief from multiple sclerosis, hypertension, and rheumatoid arthritis. Conclusion: combining these 5 strategies, including proper hydration, increasing vitamin C intake, consuming allium vegetables, boosting protein levels, and incorporating bluefish into your diet, you can effectively strengthen your knee cartilage and ligaments. Remember to embrace a healthy lifestyle while adopting these dietary changes. By doing so, you will pave the way to robust bones and muscles in the long run. Share your thoughts on these tips and let us know about foods you consume to improve muscle and bone strength in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this, and stay tuned for future updates.